Have you ever been frustrated with your business phone system? In today's fast-paced business world, it's more important than ever to have a reliable and efficient phone system. A good phone system can help you connect with customers, close deals, and grow your business. But with so many different phone systems on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's where Nextiva comes in. Nextiva is a cloud-based business phone system that offers a wide range of features and benefits. Some of the key features of Nextiva include unlimited calling. With Nextiva, you can make unlimited calls to US, Canada, and Mexico. Toll-free numbers. You can get a toll-free number for your business. Voicemail. You can set up voicemail and access it from anywhere. Auto attendant. You can set up an auto attendant to greet callers and direct them to the right department. Call forwarding. You can forward calls to your cell phone or other device. Call recording. You can record calls for training or quality assurance purposes. Video conferencing. You can hold video conferences with up to 25 participants. Fax. You can send and receive faxes. CRM integration. You can integrate Nextiva with your CRM software. In addition to these features, Nextiva also offers a number of benefits, such as easy to use. Nextiva is very easy to set up and use. Affordable. Nextiva is a very affordable phone system. Reliable. Nextiva is a very reliable phone system. Scalable. Nextiva can grow with your business. Nextiva use cases. Nextiva is a great phone system for businesses of all sizes. It is especially well suited for businesses that need a reliable and affordable phone system, have a lot of employees who work remotely, need to collaborate with team members in different locations, want to provide their customers with a great experience. How to get started with Nextiva. If you're interested in learning more about Nextiva, you can visit their website or call them at 1-800-NEXTIVA. Nextiva is a great phone system that offers a wide range of features and benefits. It is easy to use, affordable, reliable, and scalable. If you're looking for a phone system that can help you grow your business, I highly recommend Nextiva. If you're ready to get started with Nextiva, click here to sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business technology.